We've got some news this morning on Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs has reached a $3.9 billion settlement agreement with Malaysia. This involves that case involving State Investment Fund 1 MDB. The Malaysian government just issuing a news release confirming the settlement. And Goldman had been accused, you might remember, we talked about it for over a year, misleading investors over bond sales that raised $6.5 billion for the fund. Of course, this had involved Leonardo DiCaprio and all sorts of characters, including, we were talking about that book, The $1 Billion Whale, which chronicled so much of it. We should note that the transaction, or the settlement really is what we should describe it as, a little bit more than what had been expected in terms of where analysts were. Analysts were expecting to be about $3 billion. This is at $3.9 billion, but nonetheless, this has been a cloud over the company. You're watching that stock rise this morning, a little over 1%, now 1.25%. We should also note that the way the structure of the settlement, there's a guarantee. It's about, I can give you the exact numbers, but it's not 3.9 unto itself. Some of it is some of the assets that are being returned to Malaysia, and effectively Goldman is guaranteeing some of it. So it's a little more complicated than just a straight cash transaction.